Hello! To speed up video on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you will have to go into the Gallery application. So in my case I have to go into the app drawer and go into Gallery, and from here you simply select any video you would like to speed up. So in my case it will be this one, and from now you have to press this pencil icon to edit it. And right now, as you can see, just currently we have this option to adjust speed available. We simply have to press this scissors right here and press this button adjust speed, and to speed up our video we simply press the more value to speed up ×2, and here we can select which part of the video we want to be sped up actually. So let's for example select this one, and now we can have the preview of the video. This part is actually going normally at normal speed, and right now this part will be sped up, as you can see, and it is going pretty much faster. So yeah, you can here adjust the whole video, this sped up, and yeah, that's how it looks after you simply adjust your adjust the speed of your video. You simply press this save button and save again right here, and yeah, that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.